What's up, everybody? So today we're going to do a ride along with me while I do some gig work. And our first orders are for Austin and Anthony. It's a double batch, you guys. We're here at Zaxby's. Hey, we love Zaxby's. Shout out to Zaxby's. So come on, y'all. Let's go get their food. The goods, y'all. Let's go start our deliveries. Okay, y'all, we here at Anthony's house. Let's go take him his food, y'all. Your girl fighting a cold, so bear with me, okay? Y'all, let's go on and complete this and go drop off Austin his food. Let's go. Okay, everybody, we're at Austin house. Let's go take him his food. Thank you for your business. Okay, you guys, that was a cool drop off. That was a good little amount. That was almost 12 bucks for like 5 miles, 2 orders. So let's go back to our area. See y'all then. What's up, everybody? We back at our second delivery, you guys. We have a pickup for Jeremiah. We're here at PDQ, y'all. I never ate here, but Lorenzo works here, but we're gonna have to try it one day. So let's go in here and get Jeremiah order. And it's a quick order, y'all. Only 2 miles. Let's go. Good, y'all. Let's go drop off Jeremiah his food. Okay, y'all, we here at Jeremiah's house. Let's go take him his food. Dang, which way is the camera? Is it this way? I mean, which way should I be looking? This way, that way? Goodness, y'all. I see when I tape it. I don't know. All right, let's go get him his food. Thank you for your business. Y'all, on to the next order. Let's go. What's up, y'all? We back on our last one together. We here back again at Zaxby's, y'all, for Big T. Let's go on and see. Hopefully it's ready, y'all. Let's see. Yeah, y'all, kind of figured that Big T ain't ready. So we're gonna have to wait on this order. All right, let me see. We can come back in here, y'all. Yeah, sometimes, you know, you just gotta wait, child. It's a good order. It's a double digit. It's a $12. It got some miles on it though. It got 8 miles on it. But I'm gonna take it because it's pretty slow out here. It's pretty slow today. I don't know why. Probably because it was just really cold. I don't know. Maybe people cooking. Maybe they already ordered out on those days out. I'm not sure, y'all. But we're gonna give it a minute. All right, see y'all when the order get ready. Peace. Y'all. Okay, y'all, we at T House. Let's go take him his order. Oh, okay, T. The thing split. Yeah, I gotta take a picture. All right, y'all. We finished doing our work together. We dropped Big T off his order and the rest of them, y'all. So I will let y'all know at the end of the video if we made our quota or not. See y'all then.